What's up, YouTube? It is the Friday before Christmas. We decided to come out to Disney Springs to see what's what. I don't know if this is a new development, but we parked in the Orange Garage off to the side by Splitsville. And there's a security check up there. So you can go through security and get admitted and come down the staircase and walk right into Splitsville, which is something I didn't know about. I don't know how long that's been there, but it was super convenient because I think we're going to end our night here at Splitsville with some pizza and sushi. And we'll be able to just walk out that door and go up to our car. Amber, meanwhile, is over by the AMC. She is at Salt and Straw getting some, I believe, gingerbread ice cream. So let's go meet Amber. So there's Amber inside in line waving to us, waiting for her ice cream. But I have to say, by the way, we're back over to, we've done 2 videos about this in the past week. We're back over here by Summer House. And God, how nice is this to be able to come over here and not encounter construction walls? It's so much nicer. We won't be going here tonight, shocker. Last 2 visits we came, we did go to somewhere else. But I think we're going to go to Morimoto Asia after Amber gets her ice cream. So let's check out this ice cream first. And here we are, Salt and Straw. Let's pan down. It's a Christmas miracle. There's beautiful wife. Amber, what do you got there?
It's a gingerbread cookie dough.
Gingerbread cookie dough?
It looks so
Have you tried it yet?
I haven't tried it yet.
Try it.
I actually tried the eggnog ice cream in there just a second ago, just a little taste.
How was the eggnog?
It was very good. It's made with the Rocks tequila, and it's like cooked down. I think it's called Delanta something. But man, it was good. But I am really excited about this gingerbread.
Mary, try it. There you have it, folks.
That's good.
Before you even said a word.
Adrian's excited to try too.
I am. And then we're going to head to Morimoto Asia. All right, let's have a bite.
Look at you. That's good, isn't it? You like it?
That's pretty good, y'all. It's very good. Okay, time for a drink. Well, y'all, it's crowded. In case you're wondering or you're curious, like, is it going to be busy a few nights before Christmas? Yes, it's definitely busy, and this shot does not do it justice. I mean, like, in every direction. This bridge is usually, like, pretty empty, even on a busy night, 1 or 2 people. But, well, it's busy now, and I have to say, I felt like I was back in, I was getting PTSD. I felt like I was back on LA freeways walking from Summer House just over to here. So, yeah, Morimoto Asia can't come soon enough. It is very busy. Gotta love these Christmas decorations. And there it is, our destination, Morimoto Asia. Where we're gonna go get an old-fashioned. And I think some dumplings. Very festive over at Morimoto Asia too, which is appreciated. But I was going to say it felt less busy over here, but just in the last few seconds I feel like it picked up. It's busy again. Disney Springs busy, y'all.
Hey guys, so we stopped off at Morimoto Asia, and this is our first round of cocktails for the evening. I got the Yakai, which is on the left side, and it has Morimoto Knob Creek Bourbon, Caramel Apple Butter, Chambord, MSG, and Prosecco in it. And Mr. McDonald got the After Midnight. It has Courvoisier, Cognac, Legent, forgive me if that was incorrect, bourbon, ginger, orgeat, cinnamon syrup, grapefruit, lemon, and black walnut bitters. So both of these look really good. They sound very interesting. Our bartender is actually the one that created Adrian's, the one on the right, so the After Midnight. So we're going to give them a shot.
And our first snack of the night, we got some pork egg rolls. They're for only $1 more than the outside quick counter. You can get these inside at the bar. So let's give these bad boys a try. They're just pork egg rolls, you know. But we definitely enjoy these. Let's give it a taste test. And look at the presentation on these dumplings. Really, again, not much to say about these. Amber, are these chicken or pork dumplings?
They're pork. I'm hoping that the camera is catching the steam off of these bad boys. They look really good.
I'm catching the steam. Also, The drink is on fleek, and also the egg rolls. We said we were gonna. They were spectacular.
They were really good. I don't know what kind of sauce this is, but there's like a little bit of kick to it, and it came with the egg rolls. And I saved them to see if they will go with the dumplings too. Let's give it a shot.
It's mighty tasty, y'all. Let's take it. Okay, well, what is there to say about these drinks? I'm just gonna give you metaphors. I would say Amber's is an 18-year-old who's in Mexico for the first time, and mine is feels like you're on the Titanic with a bunch of rich millionaires, and you're journeying to the next room for a cigar and a cocktail. That's the best way I could describe these drinks. They're both delicious, though. I love them both. Amber,
I think they're both fantastic as well. I have one revision to Adrian's categorization of my drink. I think it's a 30-something-year-old girl who's going to Mexico for the first time. It's a little more refined. There's some prosecco in it, guys. Come on, she classier than an 18-year-old.
I think he's around so many 18-year-olds like prosecco.
It's delicious. Mine's like very. I'd say it's like very light and refreshing, whereas Adrian's is just kind of feels like a heavier, like, ooh, we're done for the night, but
It feels like a course.
kind of just started the night.
Yeah, it feels like a course and a menu.
Yeah. But our snacks were good, weren't they?
They're always the Morimoto. We were saying we were sitting at the bar. Our drinks. And we were saying like we don't think we've ever left Morimoto Asia unsatisfied. We've been elated with whether it's just a drink or a full meal and
Agreed.
anything in between. We've enjoyed it.
Yeah. The service has always been fantastic. The food has always been really good, and the drinks. They're just
Here-
all the way around.
At Boathouse was the only other place we could say that about. So props to both, but
Yeah.
especially Morimoto right now.
Yeah, agreed.
So cheers, happy holidays, everybody.
We'll see you at the next place. I have to make it emergency.
It's a Christmas miracle. We're in case you couldn't tell from our transition, we headed over to Boathouse, and to our delight, we had 2 seats at the main bar, which is I think is unheard of for a Friday night, much less the Friday before Christmas, and we got one of our favorite drinks, if not our favorite holiday drink. So it is a special moment in Boathouse when you come in here and get a seat right away and get one of these drinks for the season. Happy holidays, y'all.
That's it.
So this isn't the first time we've ordered this meal, and it certainly won't be the last. It's mac and cheese with andouille sausage and lobster, and it is delicious. Shrimp, my bad. It's a Christmas miracle when your bartenders hook you up with not only the bread but the breakfast butter, which is composed mainly of cinnamon and butter. Truly a Christmas miracle. Well, Boathouse was delicious. The food is always was amazing. The service is impeccable, and seats, astonishingly, were easy to get. But now, alas, we've ventured out of those relatively calm waters to what can only be described as the belly of the beast in Disney Springs. This place is ground zero for tourists. So, Lord knows it's busy out here. Let's go inside and see what we can see. So you know that moment in Aliens when things go wrong and the aliens just start coming out of the walls and Marines start dying? We're pretty close to that in here. It is very, very busy. There's no such thing as a recession or inflation in these walls, ladies and gentlemen. The economy is humming along in this place. And keeping up with a beautiful wife is going to be a challenge. I gotta say, there's one thing I want to hear. It's definitely the retro Jabba the Hutt playset. I think it just comes with Jabba and Salacious Crumb, and we all know, of course, that's Jabba's little thing. It does not come with the um, Luke Skywalker, the Gamorrean Guard, or the Twi'lek Advisor. Forget that guy's name. It's more of a GI Joe kid than a Star Wars kid, but Jabba was a must-have, and they've got plenty of Jabbas. Let's see how much Jabba is. It's probably there's so many on the shelf. It says $90. Jabba's $90. If Jabba was $39, we might have a conversation. Well, I've left Amber, and I can't pretend to know where to look for her. It is slammed in here. Civilization's starting to break down. There are a lot of crying babies. It's very pretty, but it's very crowded, and Amber is missing.
Good evening, everybody, here at Disney Springs tonight. Everybody's having a good time so far on this Friday evening. We're going to get the music started. You guys ready for some music? Let me hear you make some noise, everybody. Sometimes I just can't take it. Sometimes I just can't take it. So no, I'm not gonna make it.
Well, I for one certainly can't take it either. So thank God we found a quiet corner. By the way, Amber is okay. I found Amber. She survived.
Hi.
World of Disney.
Buying stuff.
She was buying stuff. But we found a quiet. Oh, look, there's the Rainforest Cafe volcano going off. It's all the excitements of the week of Christmas. But look, I thought this was kind of cool. So if you look across the lake here, that is it's a DVC resort. It's the Saratoga Resort or Saratoga.
Saratoga, I think.
I always mess this one up too. But look, that's those lights that you see. That's people that are here staying for Christmas. They're just taking it upon themselves to decorate for Christmas, and I love it. It brings some extra magic here to the resorts. We didn't make it over to. Maybe we will. We don't have a lot of time until Monday, but I'd love to get over there, certainly before New Year's, to see what, if anything, they did for Christmas. And here is what is perhaps the weakest tree on the Christmas tree walk. You know, others have themes like Haunted Mansion, Star Wars, and Encanto. This is just for Disney Plus. It's for their streaming service. So it's as mediocre as some of the most recent seasons of the Marvel shows. So I guess that fits. And here's the Guardians of the Galaxy tree, which is making up for the streaming tree. But at the top, there is Star-Lord's mask. So yeah, they put a little bit of effort in this one. This looks much better. And this is right outside of Summer House. And finally, what may be our final destination, although that's questionable for reasons that we might discuss later. But for now, this is our final destination, Splitsville. Time for some pizza and some more drinks, y'all.
So we've made our way over to Splitsville for another round of cocktails, and I chose the Holiday Old Fashioned. It's on the left-hand side. It has Michter's rye, holiday spice syrup, and bitters blended and garnished with a cinnamon stick and an orange twist. Adrian, Mr. McD, got the Tiki Punch, which is on the right, and it's Appleton Estate rum, Bacardi Dragonberry, 151 rum, and fruit juices. I know he loves that drink, so this is not his first time. I'm gonna try this holiday old fashioned. Let's see how it is.
Oh yeah, the food has arrived with the meat lovers pizza for two, and the Amber. What are these? These are the buffalo chicken
Egg rolls.
egg rolls,
Yep.
which are also delicious. So this is going to be our dinner for the night, y'all. Bon appetit! Happy holidays. So we get a lot of people asking us like, why do you go to Splitsville? Why do you go to Splitsville? Because look, there's nobody up here. I feel like it's our private little restaurant. This is typical, by the way. This isn't just this is the week of Christmas. There's beautiful wife getting down. But look, there's nobody. And on the other side of the bar over there, there's nobody over there either. And the food is delicious. The drinks are strong. And look at this view outside. You see Summer House out there, right across from AMC. Yeah, this is the hidden gem of Disney Springs right now. Highly recommend. You come, but don't tell anybody though, because this place is only cool because nobody's here. Well, I'm pretty darn full. I don't know how you're feeling.
Me too.
Where do we go? So let's recap the night. Morimoto Asia,
All the places.
Boathouse,
Then we walked over to World of Disney and got a couple of
and we capped it out with
cute
Splitsville.
shirts.
Yeah, we bought
and
some
then
shirts. And then Splitsville for some pizza and
egg rolls.
yeah, egg rolls with a beautiful view of Summer House.
It was fantastic.
Yeah. Oh, and salt and straw at the beginning. We just had straw.
Oh, we did have we had our dessert first.
Everybody watching this video is like, yeah, we know. We just watched you do all that. That feels like a million years ago. Like tonight was a very busy night. There's a lot of people here. But,
So I think we got here about 5 o'clock, and we're leaving at about 8:45ish. So
yeah, it's 8:39 according to the clock.
Yeah, not a bad night.
Yeah, and we're gonna go home and pass out. I think.
I think we might try to watch a Christmas movie.
Which one did we say?
I don't know. Elf, possibly.
Maybe Elf. Maybe no. We're finishing Santa Claus the motion picture.
Okay, it's happening.
We'll watch it with Elf.
Y'all heard it here first.
It'll be a Christmas miracle another day. Anyways, if you made it this far, you guys, thank you so much for being a part of our adventure. Please comment on your own adventures in Disney Springs. Share this video with your friends or anybody who you think might like our nonsense. Comment, like, above all, subscribe. We want you to subscribe.
Yeah.
Make it a Christmas miracle for us. And above all else, if you made it this far, you know what I always say. Or maybe you don't, but that is, have fun storming the castle.
And stay magical.